Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Skullcandy Crusher ANC 2 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily check your product help. Let's get started. So first we have to open our SkullIQ app and then click this icon over there to go into settings. Now we have to scroll a little down until we see product help. We have to click on it. And as you can see, we are now in our product help. We just have to search for our device, which is Crush 2A and C, and now we have to click search. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.